Good morning, guys. Ugh, my eyes are swollen and these gotta come down before today. Y'all, I am in Atlanta. We are going to the Tyler Perry Studios today. We were invited to the Tyler Perry Studio. I feel like I was unprepared for this trip, but if I really had gotten up this morning, put my clothes on, and go search for an outfit, go search for another wig, go get my nails done, go get my toes done, I could have done that. I would have had more than enough time to do that. But I prioritized my sleeping today, y'all. Because I'm here by myself. My mom has my baby. And this is the most rest I've gotten in the past few months. So I slept, and I slept, and I slept. I'm inside of a guest house. I'm gonna show y'all the guest house. Wash and dry area. And you come into the living room right here. Very beautiful couch. Very pretty. If I get the time to make some content and take pictures on the couch, I sure will. We have a TV right here. We got books. More books here. How cute is that? Games. We have a window area, which I'm gonna open up the blinds there. We have a seating area with some salt and pepper over here. Really cute. Refrigerator area. Kitchen area. The tea kettle is so cute. I love this. This is cute. Cute knives. Microwave. Very cute. Here's an overview from this side. We have a coffee machine over here, but I don't even think something told me to bring my coffee with me, and I didn't. I figured they would have had something here, but I guess not. There's the pantry. It's real neat. Let's see, do they have coffee in here? Is this coffee? Oh my God, it is. It's open though. I don't think I want that. I believe it's open. Yeah, that's open. I don't want it. I might just order me some coffee. There's that. And let's make our way to the bedroom. I feel like my stomach is trying to hurt. Y'all, I love the art on the walls. We have a mirror right here. There's art. Look at this. It's 3D. This is actually hair on the art. How cute is that? This is the bed. Got my luggage sitting over there. Some PR packages that I need to open. TV. I actually didn't sleep in here last night. I came in here this morning, but I slept in the living room on the couch. Here's the bathroom. And you can actually go in the bathroom 2 different ways, as you can see. Light. Got 2 different lights. This is the bathroom. Yeah. It's a really, really cute guest house. Really cute art. So I just ordered some groceries. When I say the pho that I ordered yesterday, really good, and it was 10 times better as leftovers. It was so good, y'all. They just delivered some limes and stuff. So we got some blind roast coffee pods, little things of fresh ginger. We got 2 things of lime, coffee creamer, cane sugar, honey. This somewhere. Just made me a yummy mimosa. It's delivered. And we got some vodka delivered. I'm making it with vodka. Leftovers again. Got some cinnamon sticks. Oh, no.
Y'all make sure y'all follow me on IG. Follow me on IG.
Period. Period. Casino roulette.
Anybody else need a water?
Shout out to the Casino Roulette and the Inside Podcast. Make sure you follow me at the Yelp. It's for Nicole.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's the tallest one in this.
I am moved, excited, and inspired to have someone here today that we get a chance to talk to. So are you all the influencers who are talking? Yeah. Okay, thank you. No problem.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
It's a nice neighborhood. So we weren't told, get out or all that. We didn't have that. It was.
Nobody making tea for you talking about get out. But I also know that grief is a living thing.
Yes.
And it comes
Waves.
whenever it wants to. Yeah, it can show up.
Yes.
And there's some days you're able to get through it and some days you're not.
None of us get to be on this earth without trials, without tribulations, and all of us are going to feel grief.
Or we've never felt love.
Oh, yeah.
If you don't feel grief, you've never felt love.
You've never, I say that, but grief is your receipt
Yeah.
that you loved.
Yeah.
I had to forgive daily.
I don't feel like I've experienced failure because everything that I thought was there to tear me down, to destroy me, actually made me better and stronger. So understanding the prism of how you look at something is really defines what it is, right?
Yeah.